Ertus Esti. My name is Teddy van Oosterwijk. I am one of 1,000 top Dutch architects of Eindhoven. I am really happy to be part of your gala this evening, and I really like your country. I was in Vilnius last year, and it was very beautiful, and women, they were very friendly to me. I realized that you have invented Skype. This is amazing. You are really inventive, smart, good looking, even better than the Finns. And also I am a very big fan of Urvo Parts. And throughout this evening I have been enjoying your modern architecture, so big round of applause for Coco Architects, Tarmo Pirmes, Camp Architects, Pink Architects, and Roep Metsakoya, and the stadium and cows in the city of Pärnu. And your works are very spacious, very livable, and very much colorful. Yes, of course, I have very many good ideas and projects going on, but at the moment I am freelancing. So if you have a job for me, maybe in Latvia, it would be great. I can build, I can engineer, I can program, I can moderate, curate, I can organize seminar and workshop. But now I want to talk to you about my latest discovery, parametric architecture. And I want to say to you for a second, free your mind and what you know about architecture, and listen to your heart, your soul, your inner algorithms. Let the architecture come from within, from your soul. The architecture of your heart, of your inner desire.